Looks like we have the smartest coding AI agent ever, and it's not a buffed up version of Claude Code or Cursor. The AI coding agent combines a CLI, a coding editor, as well as an AI chat assistant that outperforms the competition on all major benchmarks. Allow me to introduce DeepAgent Desktop, a powerful desktop AI assistant with agentic browsing, listening, coding CLI, and an editor capabilities. With its benchmark performance, it is quite insane because on the terminal bench, it scored a 48.75, which outperforms Goose, Claude Code, Codex, and other AI agents. On the SWE Bench, it scored a 74 percentage, which surpasses Codex CLI, GPT-5, Claude Code, and many other AI agents. The DeepAgent Desktop isn't just another AI tool, it's a full powerhouse for coding. It is something that you can use for automation, AI assisted development, and a lot more. The coding agent cleverly uses multiple state of the art models to do very complex tasks. It also comes with its own testing agent, which will test your solutions, which is also nice. But just take a look at it live in action. This is where it created an employee management system with an authentication system built with a database, and it did this in a single prompt. It's really great in terms of combining all of these different agents to execute any sort of task, whether that's building a management system, an application, Python scripts, and so much more. Within a couple of seconds, it built this retro snake game. And you can see that it's not just typical snake game that has only a simple dashboard or an interface. This is a retro snake game that has a couple of achievements, a couple of interactive features that makes it a pretty cool interactive game. Before we get started, I just want to mention that you should definitely go ahead and subscribe to the World of AI newsletter. I'm constantly posting different newsletters on a weekly basis, so this is where you can easily get up-to-date knowledge about what is happening in the AI space. So definitely go ahead and subscribe as this is completely for free. Now, what's great is that you also get bonus access to DeepAgent and ChatLM with the subscription that you get with the desktop app. This is where you get access to these two powerful tools, where ChatLM is where you have the ability to use the AI super assistant, where you can chat with state of the art models, and then Deep Agent, which is like a generalist AI agent that can automate almost anything. And just with this simple subscription, you get access to all these suite of tools a part of Abacus AI. To get started, you must subscribe to the Abacus AI tier, which is $10 per user billed monthly. And once you have subscribed, you can click on Get Started. After signing up or logging in, you can then go ahead and download DeepAgent Desktop. After installing, you're going to be requested to sign in with Abacus AI, so simply go ahead and authenticate it. After authenticating, you have two different modes that you can select from. You have the code mode, the chat mode. The chat mode is self-explanatory where you can chat with state-of-the-art models, ask questions, get light coding support, but I would prefer you choose the code mode because this is end-to-end AI coding within the terminal as well as getting access to the chat mode. And you get to run the deep agent CLI and the browser agent that is also going to let you refactor and debug code faster. And don't worry, you can switch back from any mode by just simply clicking on the two buttons on the top right, where you have the ability to switch between the code and the chat mode. So you can use anything whenever you want. So if you want to ask a question, like what's the best plan to code out an odd system, you can then simply just ask this question and you'll get a response back from different models like Claude 4, Sonnet, or GPT-5. But essentially, you'll get a good detailed response from state-of-the-art models. And now if we want to go back to the code mode, you can definitely do that as well. And say if you want to use the Deep Agent CLI, you can click on this button, which will take you to the terminal. And this is where you can use the Deep Agent to execute any task directly within your terminal using the impressive agentic capabilities. But going back to the agent itself, you have the ability to use it like many of the other AI agents, where you can simply send in any sort of prompt in natural language. You can attach context, you can select different files, use different sorts of models, and then you also have the ability to use the chat, which is where you can simply also ask questions about your code base directly here. And what's nice is that they give you a lot of different options in terms of which model you can use. And then you can simply go ahead and send in any prompt like creating me a browser-based OS with many features. And this is where it's going to route the best model for this particular task, and it's going to be able to execute it and create it from scratch. And just take a look at it live in action. This is where it has already started working, where it created a to do list as to how it's going to accomplish this task. And it has done a great job in already generating the code for it. But something I want to note is that the quality of output is truly insane because the agents have been configured to work together with different agents, as in, there's an orchestration flow that makes it so that agents can thoroughly output the best qualitative code for the prompt that you send in, which is why it's ranked so high across many different benchmarks. And you also have many other features like autocomplete. You can directly add a certain component of the code to the chat. You can edit it directly using AI, where you can choose a model and do inline edits on that particular highlighted code, which is pretty cool. There we go. Looks like it is now working on testing out our browser-based OS, which is absolutely amazing. It's using the computer use to verify if everything is functional. But it looks like it has done a great job in creating the interface of it, which is great. So just take a look at this now. It has finished adding new features, and you can see that it's actually adding an animation to start up, which is not really necessary, but you can then continue as a guest, and there's actual sound and notifications. So if I am to right click, it operates exactly like any sort of operating system. You can create new folders, refresh. You can even, let's not do that actually, but you can also have it so that you can add widgets, edit them. You can even open up something like a text editor, which is insane. You can drag it around. You can even click on the start menu. You can open up a calculator that actually works, a terminal that is actually functional. And all of this was fully coded out with the smartest and best AI coding agent by DeepAgent Desktop. One thing I really realized is that with the DeepAgent Desktop, it's going to be able to thoroughly analyze your prompt. And from there, it's going to be able to retain that context with your generation. Usually, most AI agents hallucinate and they forget about the context that they're dealing with, or they tend to forget what areas it really needs to put emphasis on. But with Deep Agent Desktop, it is going to be able to thoroughly deploy multiple agents powered by state of the art models to help you execute almost any task, whether that's dealing with hundreds of lines of code or if it's with a single file. It's going to be able to thoroughly work on any sort of task for you. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord, where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. In my opinion, this is definitely a steal, and I would highly recommend that you use this because not only do you get access to DeepAgent Desktop, you also get access to these other tools. And it's not like DeepAgent is some mediocre tool. This is the best AI coding agent that's available right now. So I would highly recommend that you take a look at this with the link in the description below. I'll leave all of these links there. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the second channel, join the newsletter, join the private Discord, follow me on Twitter, and lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos because there's a lot of content that you'll truly benefit from. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.